In today's episode, we are looking at the Magic Carpet Sky Suite number 8 to 10. In addition to the suite, we're also going to look at the retreat lounge, sun deck, and a little bit of the restaurant. Let's go and explore. We are Emma and Jack Lindsay. Together with our daughter, we love to travel and experience different places. How we get there and what we do is always different. Life is too short, so get out and live a little. Hello everybody. So we have this weird space where we have like space between the hall and our room. So if you had a conjoining room, that's where you would connect rooms. And instead we have this little hallway space that just kind of now come on in and check out our awesome room that we were pretty surprised on. So we've got a nice big bed here, bunch of storage, a mini fridge in here.
It's stocked too.
We have to check what we get. I'll note that later, but a mini fridge. If for some reason you don't want this desk and want a little bit of extra space, you can pull this out and this pushes in. So then you also have a full-length mirror, which
That's trouble for Emma because
really
she will
nice.
just stare at herself the rest of the trip. She is beautiful, so I can understand why.
Awesome bed. We got a nice little seating area here, and we got some complimentary champagne, celebrity brand, which is nice. Let's finish off on the inside first before we go outside, because that was a surprise to us. So you have hidden here, you've got some shelves, very small, safe, so definitely can't put a laptop or anything in it. Some extra little storage drawers. And then over here, you've got your hanging space. And this actually goes back, like, pretty deep. And you've got some nice robes over here. And some slippers. And an umbrella. So if it's rainy, you can use that. Now.
And now for the best part.
Let's check out the bathroom. We only took a peek, so we haven't really fully seen it. But it looked awesome in the little peek that we took.
Dun, dun, dun.
So it's a lot bigger than I thought when I opened it up. So first off, you have a little vanity where you can do your makeup and a mirror. And then on this side, you've got a nice big sink, nice shampoos and everything, humongous mirror. And then Jack's in the bathroom. That's a little toilet room. Close it off.
My favorite part of the design.
And this sucker is huge. So it looks like you just open it to get in like this. So again, it is a good little bit of a step in, but not too bad. It's not that deep. And then you have a massive rainfall shower head. You've got a wand. You've got body jets here. It's a nice big space.
Look how big that bathtub is.
I thought big bathtub.
Just for reference, guys, this is like a 2-person bathtub. It is huge.
Yeah, it's a big bathtub. But yeah, you do have to step in, but again, not a huge step. I'm 5 foot, so that's a pretty small step. Let's check out the balcony.
So when we booked this room, we just upgraded to
the most affordable retreat room possible, and this is what we received. Oh, one thing I'm going to mention before we head out there. They have these nice little boxes in each room, and you've got all your chargers. So you can put them here, and then the cords run out here, so it just keeps it a little bit more neat and organized and pretty.
Now, we all watch Emma. Oh, she got it on the first try.
I saw it was already open.
Woohoo! So
So
this
I think
is called...
this might be rearranged a little bit because that was a little awkward.
Yeah.
But I think we'll sweep these over. Then we've got a lovely table and chairs here. And this
Check
is
out
an
this
actual
view.
window. So we can see forward the entire ride, which is going to be really, really cool. And you don't have the wind, which is kind of really awesome.
No.
And this big
Emma,
orange...
we faced aft.
That's the back of the ship?
Yes.
Oh, sorry. Haven't really figured it out yet. We just got on board. We get to see where we came from. And then, super sized balcony. These massive orange pillars here are here because this is part of the magic carpet. So the magic carpet does come down, but it doesn't move when people are on it or anything, so we really shouldn't even see it. They only bring it down if you're tendering at a port, and I don't know if we have any tenders.
So they're putting it down at the restaurant.
And then when it's a restaurant, I think as well, they possibly bring it down depending on the weather and everything. But it's not like it's going up and down all day long. So really, our obstruction is just this big orange pole. But I love that we have this window and all of this really nice big space.
Yeah, this balcony would be really good for cold weather too, because it's enclosed. So your back end, that's a solid window. These pillars will help block wind, and then you have the braces in between. So I think for a cold weather like Alaska or Norway, it'd be great.
Sorry, I don't know if you can hear us with all the stuff going on down there, but yeah, let's go back inside. It would definitely be a very nice large balcony for colder weather, and it's not, you don't have the, on a lot of these, your verandas have the like closing thing that's all enclosed and it's like becomes part of your room. This, you get like a true balcony in a sense. So I think this is a great ship for cold weather. Granted, we haven't really seen much of the ship yet, but the room-wise, it seems like it would be great.
Also, the room was ready and the keys were at the room when we got on the ship, so you're allowed to drop all your bags off and everything.
Which is very helpful. Each side has little charging ports, and then we also have some binoculars that we get to use in case we see anything while we're sailing, which is super nice. And then one other thing I want to mention is the thermostat. You can control this from your phone. So if you're out and about and you're like, oh, it's been really hot today, I just want to make it a little cooler in the room, you don't have to physically come back here to make it cooler. You can do it from wherever on the ship, or vice versa. You want to make it warmer, you can do so.
Hold on.
Wait, I can close the blinds and control lights.
You can do all this on your phone, and plus...
Oh, the blinds are closing! I hit a button and the blinds closed.
So open the blinds now, sweetheart. One other thing is...
There's different options too. Morning, movie, evening, sleep.
One other thing to note. Emma's going to have fun with this. Just on your pre-cruise notification from the concierge for the retreat, they ask you what temperature you want the room at. I said 68. It is 68 in here.
We also got a lovely bag that we carried around with us, as well as a little necklace that you could get charms put in it. And then every night, or almost every night, we got chocolate. And then this is how we decided to set up our balcony compared to the previous view that you saw. Obviously, you can do it however you'd like, though.
The magic carpet's going down.
The magic carpet! Think of that. How cool. Sit there. First and only time we saw it, though, so it's pretty cool. The view from this room at night was beautiful and spectacular. If you are in the retreat on Celebrity, you get access to the lounge, the sun deck, as well as a specialty dining that only retreat guests get access to. And in addition to all of that, you also get concierge as well as a butler. As a guest of the retreat, you will enjoy amazing perks such as premium drinks, premium Wi-Fi, tips, as well as credit to spend on board. Within the retreat lounge, you have access to some waters and sodas, as well as teas and coffees that you can use whenever you would like. There are some additional perks as well, like priority check-in, priority embarkation and disembarkation. You also get complimentary 24-hour room service, as well as reserved seating in the theater on chic night. Lots of fun perks that you get when you're in the retreat. And every day they also put out some little snacks that you can enjoy, and they also have a tea time. So you really cannot be bored, and you are treated like a queen and a king while you are in the retreat. Nice little outdoor seating area here for the retreat. These will be really nice with this view.
We've done that one.
We have. We did the Odyssey of the Seas right before we started doing YouTube. Now let's go head up these stairs and check out the sun deck.
Ho, ho, ho. This is huge.
Holy moly, this is huge.
So
nice big comfy couches.
The solarium's right here.
Oh yes, this is the solarium, so this will glow at night. All these chairs look so comfy. Where do you think the pool is?
That way.
That way? Let's go.
Look how pretty this is.
It's really nice. I like all like the little like different nooks and crannies too, so you can like, I don't know, sit here and just feel like it's nice and cozy. On the sun deck, there's also a bar as well as a little area where you can get some snacks and some food, which is just really convenient, and the servers walk around, so if you need a refill on your drink, they're there to help. This is Lumine. You get to eat here for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and you only get access to it if you are a retreat guest. It is hands down the best place to eat on the ship. As part of the Lumine restaurant, you get to try some signature dishes by Celebrity's global culinary ambassador, Daniel Ballou. He is an award-winning chef, and his meals are delicious. And now, if you are eating here, the menu stays the same for breakfast, but for lunch and dinner, the menu does change, and there are a few staples that are always on the menu, but the rest of it is different every day.